Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good, hope you're all sitting comfortably, and welcome to today's video, which is the first in a very exciting series because Sam and I are going on our first ever Caribbean cruise. Now, Sam's never been on a cruise before. I have only been on a 3-day booze cruise to Bruges. I don't really remember much of it. I think it was more booze than cruise. So yes, so we're very excited. So make sure you subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and like start the conversation. I love replying to you all on here. And I really hope you're going to enjoy our videos. Flying into Barbados tomorrow. We are all packed, which is very rare for us. And we don't have to be up that early either because our flight's not till 1:30, which is really nice. So we're flying into Barbados. We have a night in Barbados. We've had to cancel our dinner reservation because our flight doesn't get until 6:30. We thought it got in at like 4. For that reason, we're just going to go to the buffet on the ship, which I'm so excited for. Can't wait. Then we do an overnight on the ship, stay in Barbados. Then we're going on a catamaran cruise on Saturday. Then we have a day at sea, I think. Then we go to Aruba, where we're going to the Flamingo Island. Grenada, I've booked a special surprise excursion for Sam. St. Vincent, we are going to like an island hop. Curacao, we're just going to chill. And then we're getting off the boat in St. Lucia, where we're going on a sightseeing day. And then Sam is going segwaying with the rest of the group while I go back to the hotel because I am pregnant. I am 4 months, 5 months, 4.5 months I think. I'm 4.5 months pregnant. So I will, no, 5.5 months pregnant and 5.5, I'm 22 weeks basically. And so I will not be drinking, I will not be segwaying. I'm going to do snorkeling. My mum was like, you need to be careful getting on and off the boat. So I'll be doing all of that, but it'll still be a really fun cruise. And the best bit is I'll be able to show you all the food because now I can't drink. Food is my greatest joy in life. I mean, it was before anyway. And I also did find when I used to vlog when I've been drinking, there was a lot I couldn't use, so at least I'll be able to use all the footage this time. Luckily we're on the first week of the cruise because you have to be you can't go over 24 weeks on the ship. And we disembark when I'm 23 weeks and 6 days, so very lucky. But yes, I'm suffering a lot with what's it called, baby brain is what I'm suffering a lot with, and also acid reflux. So Gaviscon is on the list for the airport tomorrow. Lots and lots of Gaviscon tablets. But yes, we are so excited and we hope you enjoy coming along with us. So we will see you in the morning. Good morning, happy cruise day. It started off a bit stressful because I can't get my landing form for Barbados to work. We were trying it last night. Sam's has now worked, mine still isn't working, so that's a bit annoying. But hopefully we'll get it sorted and then we can go. We're getting picked up in less than an hour. I need to go and have a shower and get ready, so I'll see you in a minute. Right, we're in the car. Finally. So it took, I think, 7 attempts to get my landing card done, but Sam... It took me 1 attempt. No, it took you 2. 2 attempts. 2 attempts. So Sam finally got my landing card done. Oh, it's bright. I wanted it to be raining so we could be like, we're off to the sun. So we're in this lovely car now, and we're on our way to the airport. I feel like the Queen being woken up. We are in the very swanky first business check-in. I've got my little can of ginger ale. So since being pregnant, I am not good in the back of a car. And when we got out of the car, even though I had nothing to bring up, I was head in the dumpster, say in America, being sick. So now I have a little ginger ale to try and settle my stomach before we get on the plane. But yes, Sam is ready. Are you ready?
Very ready.
Very excited. We've got all our bags. Sam's got his suit for formal night. And yes, off to Barbados we go. So we're all checked in. We're in 4D&E, which is really nice. I thought that 4E, they weren't going to unblock because it's got the baby table. But luckily they did, so we're next to each other. And then we've just been through premium security, which is really nice and quick. And just pop to a few shops and then go to the lounge. So we're here in the club lounge. Basically, they don't do first class out of Gatwick anymore, so I think it's all one big lounge now, because it used to be club and first lounge, but we're in the club lounge. Got like a little view of the airport. I think we're going to get some food. Obviously I can't drink, which is very upsetting, but there you go. So this is the lounge. The lunch stuff is up now. You've got like lovely salad bar, there's all hot food over there. This is the bar, obviously, so you can like help yourself. So like wine, everything, all these spirits, all like the snacks and stuff. I mean, it's probably a good job that I'm not drinking actually, in hindsight. I went for a salad to start with. Sam's got a champagne and doing some work. Basically, I am just greedy, so I've now got a little selection, a bit of curry, a bit of pesto pasta, some olives, and then a spicy tomato juice. Literally, you wait till you see my 4-course meal on the aircraft as well, like, because the full club service is back, baby, and I'm excited. We are on the aircraft, we're in seats 4D and Sam is in 4E. So we have this cute little divider that we can put up.
It will stay up the whole time. Oh no, it's very...
No, it's because you pressed it.
Yes. Fine, my lover.
And for the cabin crew, that is boarding complete.
Oh. We're not going to touch the divider, might dodge the divider. I've had an orange juice, very boring. The full club service is back. So you get your starter, then you get your main, then you get your dessert, rather than all coming on one tray, which is very exciting. First time since COVID that I've flown had the full club service. Hopefully I can have burrata, beef, and then sticky toffee pudding, but we'll see. We'll see. That was me watching the Duke crying, so like it was lovely crying. Sam, what food have you got?
I've gone for the salmon.
Is it good?
And I've gone for beef.
Okay, this is the salmon.
I'm watching my hero in life, absolute hero in life,
Chris Hemsworth. He's my celebrity crush. And then I've got the burrata. And then we've both got the beef, and then I'm watching 30 Rock Christmas special. I really wanted the cheese board. There was only one piece of cheese in it that was allowed. So I was like, I can't waste cheese. So I'm having sticky toffee pudding. And my lovely boyfriend is playing Tetris, but he's having the cheese so that I can have the one piece of cheese that I'm allowed. What a guy. This is my sticky toffee, and there is Sam's cheese. My hair is limp, but we are here. We've landed, we're just waiting for our bags to come. So with the online form, obviously Sam managed to do it for me. You don't need to do it, but it's a hell of a lot quicker if you do. We literally came through, so, I mean, I've never seen it empty, never. It's like literally so empty, but because we're on the late, so it's fine. But so basically we came through, scanned our passports, and they had all our details already, so we literally just walked through. So much quicker. So we're going to get our bags, and then there's a man called Anthony waiting for us to come take us to the boat. Sam's suitcase has turned up, he's just waiting for mine. So hopefully mine will come. Actually, I've got 3 dresses and a pair of, and all my shoes actually in my hand luggage bag, because I knew that my bag would be so overweight, so I took out all the heavy stuff and put it all in my hand luggage. I just thought I'd do a little top tip. Well, it's not a top tip, it's just like informative. There's 2 different ways you can do the P&O travelling bit if you're picking up the ship in Barbados. Either do what we've done and fly with British Airways, so you check your bags in at Gatwick and then, or Heathrow, and then you pick them up yourself at Barbados Airport, and then you put your cruise tags on, and then they get taken when you go and check into the ship down at the cruise port. Or you can do what the rest of the group have done and fly on the TUI charter, where you check your bags in at Gatwick with your cruise tags on them, and then the next time you see them is when you're in your cabin, so you don't have to pick them up in the airport. But obviously it depends on what airport's closest to you, what day the TUI charters go, if there's availability on the charter, etc. I'm guessing there wasn't any more space in the charter for us, which is why we went BA in the end. So there is the Britannia. About to get on. There's Sam being a tourist taking a photo. It's so quiet and calm and lovely here. I can't believe it. We're about to get on that ship. Are you excited?
So it looks so much like amazing.
So we've just checked in and been through security. Where is the ship? And now we are getting ready to board. We haven't got our cruise cards yet. We've just got the little paper boarding passes, and our bags have been taken to our room. There's some men waiting here with hot towels for us. How lovely. And I'll stop filming now so that they're not in the video. So we're just getting onto the ship. Hello MTV and welcome to my crib. This is our cabin tour. So we have got a balcony cabin on the Britannia. We've both got a key, lovely. So you come in here and you've got a nice mirror where I will take my selfies. Then in here you've got the wardrobe. So we do actually need to unpack because I can't live out of my suitcase like I normally do. Very important life jackets. Then this is the bathroom. Hello. I think this is, do you know what? I have actually done a 3-day P&O booze cruise back in the day, but it was very booze, not much cruise, like as in I just got drunk all the time. But being in here is making me think that either I've been on this ship before or all P&O ships are fitted out the same. White company stuff in the shower, which is nice. And then we come in to the bedroom and Samuel is on the bed.
It's making a
nice big bed. It's very comfy, isn't it? Yeah. Nice big telly. Then we've got like a little desk here. Little sofa. Then we've got some champagne and chocolates. Obviously, I can't drink the champagne, but Sam can. And then out here is our balcony. Obviously, at the moment, in ye old Barb's, we're overlooking the port, but I'm hoping that in some ports we'll be overlooking the sea. And we've got our little balcony chairs.
Nice.
I forgot to bring Uno, darling.
Oh.
Sad times. But yes, and that concludes the cabin tour. So basically, I am going to have to be very tidy this time, because normally what I do is just open my suitcase on the floor and live out of that. But I will unpack. But I think now, probably going to get some food. I think we're just going to go to the buffet restaurant. Like, I'm not actually hungry, but obviously I do all of this for you guys. Like, it's research purposes only. Apparently there's a roast dinner, there's Hunter's chicken. So I'm willing for you guys, for me to go to the buffet. So as they sing in chorus line, everyone is beautiful at the buffet. Horizon restaurant. It's the buffet. We're just gonna come in and get something to eat. I mean, we're dressed very inappropriately. As I said, I'm not that hungry, but I can never say no to roast lamb and roast potatoes and mint sauce. So I've just got this little thing. I thought I'd show you. They put this outside your cabin every day, the Horizon, and basically it shows you all the activities on the next day. So like tomorrow there's like a quiz at 5:30. There's dance lessons at 7:15. I don't think you see that. Dance at 7:15. You can meet the casino host. Like Downton Abbey's on, football's on, etc. So that's really good. And then there's a whole thing about the restaurants here. So we've booked some of the restaurants, and there's some that, because we've got freedom dining, we can just go to the Meridian and the Peninsula whenever we want. And we've booked the Epicurean, Sindhu, the Beach House, and I want to book the Glass House as well, so I need to work out how to do that. Thank you so much for joining us on our first day. This has probably been quite a short vlog, but from tomorrow they will be longer. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.